Understanding Factory Sealed, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, factory sealed. Whether you're shopping online, reading product descriptions, or just curious about English phrases, understanding this term can be really useful. Let's dive in and unravel its meaning together. Factory sealed refers to products that are packaged and sealed at the manufacturing facility where they are made. This seal is an assurance that the product has not been opened or tampered with since it left the factory. It's a sign of authenticity and quality, ensuring that you are getting a new, untouched item. When a product is factory sealed, it often means it's in pristine condition. This is especially important for electronics, ensuring they haven't been used or damaged; food items, guaranteeing freshness and safety; collectibles, maintaining their value and condition. Being factory sealed can also be a requirement for return policies or warranties. To help you understand better, here are some examples. Buying a smartphone. The box usually comes factory sealed, ensuring the device is brand new. Purchasing video games. A factory-sealed game is never used and often more valuable. Online shopping. Products often list factory sealed to assure quality and authenticity. I hope this video has helped you understand what factory sealed means and why it's important. Remember, when you see this term, it's all about ensuring you're getting a product in its original, untouched condition. Thanks for watching, and keep learning new English phrases.